This is a Dell Precision 3650. I felt like this is a video I needed to highlight. A few days ago, I was making a video. I wanted to show you guys exactly how you open the front blend or the front cover of this beautiful PC right here. See, I have handled a lot of PCs on this channel. Dell Optiplex 7090, 7020, 7010, 9020. The list goes on and on and on. This is not the first time I am actually trying to take out the front cover of this PC. This is the front cover here. Normally, it shouldn't be a difficult thing to take out. See, there's going to come that time where at some point you feel like your PC is kind of dirty. You want to go ahead and clean it up. And one place you want to clean is the inside of the front blend. And ideally, this shouldn't be a difficult thing to take out. Like I said, I have handled a lot of PCs. But for one funny reason, on this day, this particular PC here refused to open up. I was making a video kind of showing you guys how beautiful this PC is. That this is a Dell Precision PC, one PC that you can actually get if you are looking for something solid. These PCs are normally supposed to be built with, the best premium parts out there, premium materials, quality stuff. But for one funny reason or the other, the front blend on these PCs, they are kind of held in place by some little clips. And these clips, they are so fragile. Honestly, I wouldn't know why this is so, because the PC overall is a very quality PC, tough materials. This is not supposed to be that this particular front blend here is held in place by, like I said, very fragile clips. And if that one clip is to be broken, you are pretty much cooked. This was exactly what happened to me. I was trying to take out this front blend on this PC. Like I said, for one reason or the other, this thing wouldn't come out. I tried everything I literally knew how to do. I was very, very careful, which is something you want to do. If you have, a PC like this to take out, you have to be exceptionally careful, because, like I said, if you break that clip, you are going to be cooked. Guys, I'm telling you, this thing literally took me, more than 5 minutes trying to take a look at what point this front blend was kind of, hanging. I say at some point, I even destroyed the front, cover of the DVD writer. This was kind of funny because all I wanted to do was just to take out the front blend to show you guys. But see, at some point, I even had to flip the PC over, thinking that my positioning was wrong, but that wasn't going to be the case. At this time, I had already destroyed, the front blend on the DVD writer, and I was already getting a little bit worked up. I wouldn't know why this thing wouldn't come out, but after kind of fighting with it, over and over and again, I was able to take it out. But then, like I said, the DVD drive already had a broken clip, and this was supposed to be a 600 euro plus PC. And for no reason, just trying to make a little video and show you guys, I ended up breaking the DVD drive on the PC. As if that's not enough, this front blend here finally had some broken clips. See, this is exactly, what fell off from the PC. That is the broken clip right there. And that clip is such that if it is not there, this front cover here is not going to sit properly on the PC. And at some point, this front blend is going to be shaking. This was kind of very, very distressing for me, because it's supposed to be, like I said, an expensive PC. A PC that was in the best condition, shouldn't be broken for any reason. But then it just happened that on this day, this PC decided to be difficult. And for one reason or the other, I wouldn't know why this thing wouldn't want to, come out. See, this could equally, happen to you. If you ever have to open the front blend on your Dell Precision 3650, I want to beg you guys, please be very careful how you take it out. Ideally, there might not be any reason for you to bring it out, because if you take a look at the front of the PC, it's something that you can actually clean also from the inside. You necessarily do not have to take out this front blend to be able to have access to whatever is hiding on the chassis. But I didn't know what I was looking for. For one reason or the other, I went in there, a PC that was supposed to be in the best, optical and technical condition. I just went ahead, I broke it, just because for one reason or the other, this front blend didn't want to come out. And I felt like, no, I'm going to highlight this because I'm here to save you from destroying your PC from something like this. If you ever have to open your Dell Precision PC, doesn't matter if you have a Dell Precision, a HP workstation, whatever it is, understand that these front covers, they are kind of made like that. They are held in place with some clips, and if you are not careful, If you kind of rush the process, you're going to be sorry, because you're going to be having a PC with the front cover, possibly ruined. Last time I opened a Lenovo ThinkPad T480, this was exactly what happened. I was trying to, force out the back cover on this laptop. At the end of the day, I ended up breaking like 5 or 6 clips that laptop refused to be normal again. But luckily for me, I was able to find a workaround to this DVD drive. Also to the front cover, I was able to close back the PC and everything kind of went back in place. This was just a close call. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you. Felt like highlighting this video will go a long way to helping somebody out there. Hopefully that person is you. If you've got some value from this video, please go ahead and click on the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Until I see you again in the next one. Peace.